right, guys, this old Corbin is from Eric up in Cleveland. These are beautiful old locks. It look like somebody, maybe Eric, has brushed this one off, got rid of all that old patina and tarnish. And no, Eric's last name is not Murphy. Apparently this belonged to some guy named Murphy a long time ago who had a little bit of a temper, apparently. Anyway, I do have a key for this, and Eric has taped it up. He asked me to pick it. So let's see if we can't do that. It's pretty open keyway, so I'm going to try. I'll just hold it in my hand. I think I can do it like right here. Find a tensioner. See if this guy, nice wide open, this ought to fit. In fact, it fits, and there's a little bit of sloppiness built into it. So I will hold it like that. Try to keep my fat fingers out of your way. Let me grab a pick. I'm going to try this guy. This is the Attila. It's all the way in. I'm going to try light tension. These Corbins, actually, I'll show you in a second, but, well, I'll show you right now. There's a ball bearing on at least the first one. I think you can see him right there. And a lot of these old Corbins, to prevent you from wearing those pins, they put ball bearings in there because they're hardened steel. So the constant in and out and in and out of the key wouldn't wear out the pins on your lock and cause it to no longer work at some point. So pretty cool, well thought out, good quality. I'm on pin 3. Little mushiness. Let's keep looking. Pin 1. Little click. It's easy to over tension these Corbins. So let me restart this. I think that first one I kind of mushed them in place. My tension was, even though I defined it as light, might have been too heavy. I'm going to keep super light tension. Let's try it again. There we go. That was kind of violent. I only have one binder, and it's right up here in the front. Right there, pin 2. I felt a little give on the core. Pin 3 is back down. I think we got him. Pin 5. I think we got him. My tensioner is falling out. Pin 1. And there we go. See if it opens. It does open. All right. Well, there you go, guys. Murphy's Corbin lock that is now owned by Eric up in Cleveland. Let's go ahead and cut this off and take a look and see what the key looks like. I can tell you number 1 is cut very high. The rest of them didn't seem too spectacular. It's always fun to see what the key finally looks like. And there we go. Not bad at all. We had a couple of low cut ones and some nice high ones there. So 1 high, 2 high, 3 highs protected by 2 low cut pins. Pretty nice. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal. Eric up in Cleveland. Thank you, sir, for letting me borrow Murphy's lock. If you like what Lock Lab's doing, you can really help me out by subscribing, hitting the like button, and of course sharing it on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks, guys.